Hello teacher, my name is Javier Tigre. Inventions and discoveries. Today we find ourselves in a technological and consumerist society where the internet, the telephone, medicines, and the refrigerator are necessary and very important because they facilitate people's daily lives. Innovation product in Ecuador. Hand Eyes, a project carried out in Ecuador, won first place in the contest and is to chase history. Organized by the History Channel, it is the Davis created by Fabricio Reyes, Diego Aguinzaca, Alex Aldaz, and Carlos Canacuan, students of the Army Polytechnic School. Hand Eyes is a small gadget that can be attached to the cane of a blind person. This device uses a echolocation system based on the emissions of ultrasonic waves, which are captured by the sun device when bouncing of objects in the environment. Upon receive these signals, the device vibrates and emits sounds, which helps the user to create a mental map of the environment. This is essential for a blind person to be able to better locate himself in any environment. Thanks.